Good morning. I will be bringing you with me in my productive day. Today's a full-on errands. Like, I literally have so much to do that it's insane. I think that's what has me pooping so much. Could be the coffee too. Had coffee and a yogurt with peanut butter and a banana. Nice, quick, and easy. But yeah, no, I actually have a lot of errands to do because I am leaving tomorrow to a bachelorette. One of my best friends, Sylvia, is getting married, and this weekend we are gonna have a bachelorette upstate, nice and cozy, 5 of us. Cocktails, lake view, games, matching shirts, coordinating outfits, and I have to get prepped. I'm gonna go get my hair done. I am going to go to Joann's to buy a few like artsy crafty things like Sharpies, Polaroids. I have to go to the supermarket to get my snacks. I have to go thrifting because I need to find a navy blue dress that if I have to tailor, I'll tailor it. Like, that's why I love secondhand shopping, because I can tailor it to my size and then it looks so much more flattering. So I feel like I was talking so fast. Arts and craft store, salon, supermarket, thrift store, and then I need to prep my bag, take a shower, shave, probably poop again because we need those bowel movements to keep our gut health happy. Let's just go. One major important thing, always with me, is about water. It's so nice. It is hot, but I'm happy it's hot because that's what we need for this weekend. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. Comment your favorite part of today's vlog and what you recommend that you use to keep your day productive. How do you plan it out? Do you make a list? Do you schedule it? All those deets, let me know in our star squad. Here in this star squad, in this community of stars, we are the sun. We are not shadows. We're here to lead. We're here. I'm so happy it's in clearance. It's literally just $7.47 for Sharpie silvers. I got everything. Literally, when you buy embroidery floss, the list comes out so long. It was just a quick run to Joann's. Now I am going to drive to the salon. I can't wait to go to the salon. I do have to go now because I have to return the car to my brother by 3 o'clock because he goes to work at 4. Pero queríamos como algo más tranquilo.
¿Cuándo ya empezamos?
En agosto. La familia de él es más grande, entonces va a ser en Rochester. Es como a 4 horas. Estaban en Chicago. So, fit check, hand-me-down shorts, thrifted shirt, and 1000 felt sneakers.
Oh.
Ya voy de camino. Y tú sabes lo que pensé, que no me debí pagar para hacerme las uñas, para darme un gel, como hacerme un appointment. Pero no me va a dar tiempo, ¿verdad?
No. Oka ya me estaba preguntando, ¿y dónde está Calamari?
¿De verdad?
Sí. Yo no, qué vaina, que yo digo embuste.
No, May, tú no dices
Entonces.
So, me voy.
Ok, mi amor.
Bye.
Mándame. Let me know if I can help.
No, thank you, Siri. Good thing I'm parked because I was pressing on the speed. Guys, since the very beginning of this vlog, I feel I am constantly in and out of the car, but that's because I live in suburbia, so it's constant driving. And now I just realized I'm ready. I'm parked to go to the supermarket and I don't have a list. I'm just gonna sit here in my hunger, ready to make a list. I'm not gonna stop somewhere to buy food because I need to save money. I am on a budget, so I'm just gonna buy a snack, the snacks for tomorrow's road trip, and just when I get home, probably boil some eggs, eat it with nice avocado toast. Okay, I can make protein balls because I have peanut butter, so I can buy dates. Supermarket list. I won't think too much. I feel like I'm hungry, so I'm probably gonna buy something random in the supermarket. Yeah, most likely. Happy with my hair too. I love, so in Dominican culture, you wear a lot of tubis. Like when you get your hair done, you wear tubis. It's a hair wrap. And I found this one in Rockaway Beach. Don't remember the name of the salon, but in Rockaway Beach, I found a yellow color tubi. So I bought it right away because yellow is my favorite color. Okay, let me get back to this list. Magic of vlogging. So I really didn't vlog inside the supermarket because I am on a rush. It's 2:58 and my brother is waiting for me. I didn't vlog, I was in a rush, so I'm just gonna give you a quick haul here in the car of what I bought. I bought this like popsicle that they make because I love going to my local supermarket, so I go there and it's so hot. So I bought this organic ice pop Hawaiian cream. It has coconut milk, pineapple, mango, banana, and raw blue agave. It tastes good. It tastes like frozen baby food. You know, if you like baby food, this is a really good choice. Wait, let me tell them I'm on my way. Ya voy de camino, acabo de salir del supermercado.
Okay.
Ya voy. Bye. I'll show you what I bought once I get home. Chocolates for the road. Plantain chips, they're my favorite. I grew up eating so much plantains because I'm from the Dominican Republic, so it's my go-to. Also mangoes, like mangoes and plantains, favorite. And then, okay, this was not on the list, but like look at this coconut. To try because I've never seen something like this where you just buy it, like drink and eat at the same time. Like it brings, as you can see, like it brings the straw and it's biodegradable. Some almond dates for the protein balls that I'll make later. And we cannot forget the very most important thing, because as Hiram says, we have to protect our skin. Sunscreen. And then I got this like everyday moisturizer to keep my skin nice and soft and hydrated during the heat. We are gonna be upstate near a lake and it's going to be hot, so I want to make sure to keep my skin hydrated. It's super helpful. And then I love alfalfa. So this is the haul. Especially when you want to live a healthy lifestyle and you are on a budget, the key is to buy enough so you can ration for the month, and you divide it into 4 weeks. You do have to plan it out, you do have to have a schedule. And if you're interested in how I plan out my meals and my snacks, let me know in the comments below and I'll make a dedicated video sharing my tips on how to live a healthy lifestyle on a budget. Lunch, I'm drinking the fresh coconut. It's actually really good. It costs $7, but I was like, I've never seen this in New York before. And it's this Thailand coconut paper straw, and it brings like the wooden pokey thing to like poke it inside. Anyways, while I eat, I'm gonna make a list of the things that I have to bring in my carry-on so I don't forget. Once I'm done eating and making this list, next thing on my to-do list to make this day even more productive is water my plants, because I am going to be away for the weekend. And I do normally water them on Saturday, but I won't be here Saturday. So before I leave tomorrow morning, I do just want to water them now because it's still early afternoon. And then go to the thrift store to find a dress for Saturday night dinner. Din. Desastre.
¿Cuál es? ¿Esto que está ahí? La dueña de cada una de las cosas que está aquí.
pretty much done watering the plants. Now I'm gonna head over to the thrift store. I am always like, in today's, yeah, it's been productive, but I've been literally against the clock. The thrift store's closing in 40 minutes. Before I go, I want to show you, so Nintendo, it's a rubber plant, and I've been propagating her. So this is Nintendo volume 2. Huge, 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 huge. It's time to plant her. Look how big. 6 to 8 weeks to see the roots grow, and a leaf is growing from it. So this is Nintendo, and now Nintendo has an offspring. So this is what I heard. You take care of plants, then you have your hubby, then you have kids, and like you have to do what makes you happy. So nurturing, being tender, taking care of course of yourself and others is something that makes you happy and genuinely glow. And that's something that you have to aspire for. And if it comes naturally, like look how happy. Like this makes me feel like such a proud plant mom. If you're a plant mom, give yourself a shout out in the comments. We are doing our thing. It has the broken zipper, but I can fix that. I can fix that. This has been full-on productive, exactly what I wanted, which was a navy blue. I didn't find a navy blue dress. I found instead a navy blue romper. On camera it looks black, but it's navy blue. So we are all just like coordinating based on the color of the wedding for this bachelorette. So I figured I can wear like matching pajamas. I also got pink pajamas. I'm inserting the photo here because my mom has the shirt right now with milk. Hopefully like the milk makes the stain go away, but I got this shirt because it says bridesmaid on the back, and the fact that it's for this occasion that I went to the thrift store, I just got it. I didn't care that I had the stain or a few rips. I think they do fit me. I'll double check if I have to adjust the waist. This is the beauty of knowing how to use a sewing machine. You can adjust clothes so it looks flattering. We don't have a washer and dryer, so before the sun goes down, I have like 2 hours before the sun is gone. I need to hand wash all of the clothes that I thrifted so it can dry up with the sun, and then I'll be able to pack it in my luggage bag. So I'm just gonna go ahead hand wash it, but before that I need to refill with a nice smoothie. We'll see each other in the next vlog. I upload every Wednesday and Sunday. Wednesday's vlogs with Kara and Sunday sewing tutorials with Style, all done in Kara style.